Mae yna gymaint o gyfleoedd yn y stafell yma heddiw 'ma.
We know that the Welsh economy is mostly made up of small to medium enterprises, SMEs, and so networking events like this is really great opportunity for those businesses to get to meet larger organisations and those that have got projects, so it helps grow the economy and create a more resilient ecosystem.
Mae o'n dangos cyfleon i'r cymuned busnes a mae o'n dangos ac arddangos gymaint o cymorth sydd yna I helpu busnesau cael a wneud y mwyaf o'r cyfleon yna.
It's been a very busy event. I think what is really good is all the cross-sector within the area actually attending the event, where you've got multiple sectors coming through.
Giving opportunity to local businesses using companies that are nationwide when there might be someone on your doorstep that you weren't aware of that delivers the same service.
Just yn really great o ran gallu cyfarfod mwy o busnesau yng Nghymru sa ni ddim wedi gallu cysylltu efo fel arfer.
Mae'n hollol bwysig digwyddiadau fel hyn ar gyfer yr economi, a'r cyfleoedd sy'n ar gael mwyn tyfu a hybu busnesau bach.